they find from also they will spend say $10 billion looking for oil and they only find $8 billion worth.
But
There really aren't. I mean, we may find an occasional field, but from also they will spend say $10 billion looking for oil and they only find $8 billion worth.
But
there really aren't. I mean, we may find an occasional field, but
what the fuck are you doing? What the fuck? Jesus Christ.
In the fucking world, Jesus fucking Christ. Yo, what the fuck? What the fuck?